Welcome to the setup for the VKP8E keypad in local mode. In this video, we will explain how to put it into local mode, how to get to the web server, and what you can and cannot do with the local web server. On the physical keypad, press and hold the lower left and right buttons for about 5 seconds. When you release them, the screen on the keypad will change to an internal setup. Select the lower left button and put the keypad into local mode. We made this physical for security purposes. Local mode can only be enabled on a physical keypad. Both the lower buttons will light up when the keypad is in local mode, and the screen will change to a QR code. This will take you to the local URL. This URL is also at the top of the screen. It's made up of the IP address of the keypad with a / and the word local. Type this into a web browser and press enter. As you can see, these are all of the things you can do in local mode. First, you can upload a new configuration file that was created online. You can also download the configuration file that is in this keypad. This is how you would manually upload the firmware. You will need to download it from our website in order to upload the firmware to your keypad. If the keypad is on the internet, the firmware can be updated through the Settings tab in the Atlona Cloud as shown in the Setup and Configuration IoT video. You can change the network settings under the Change Network tab. You can select if you want it to be on the local network and if you want it to go out to the internet. Note that if you select the internet, it will ping the internet to make certain that it is connected. So you may want to turn this off if you would like to keep it local on your intranet. API mode allows you to connect the keypad to a third-party control system or to our Velocity Gateway and use it as a supplemental keypad user interface and not as a controller. You simply add the IP address of the gateway, and then in our Velocity control system, you'll need the keypad to be added to your room and enter in this IP address. Open Cloud allows you to go back to the Atlona Cloud and will take you out of local mode and disable you from doing any more tasks. Finally, we have the rebuild certificate and download certificate. If you change the network settings, such as making it a static IP address, and you want the keypad to be off of the internet, you will use these to update the certificate and use them to connect the VKP to a laptop that is connected to the internet. In the next videos, we will look at setting up that certificate, as well as connecting the VKP as a supplemental keypad user interface in a larger Velocity system.